Hey everyone, in this video we'll create a simple pen holder by using a popsicle sticks. So let's create a popsicle stick first. And I measured the dimension. I have checked in internet the average popsicle stick standard popsicle stick dimension will be 114 mm and 10 thickness of 2. So now let's give a fillet, 3-phase fillet. Okay, and I'll apply a material which is wood. So I'll make sure only the appearance matches, not the exact wood material. Let's see which one matches first. I felt this one is good. Now let's save it as a popsicle stick. Let's take the assembly. Let's save it as a pen holder. I call this pen holder. Now let's take one more copy and make a constraint of face-to-face coincidence and then concentric the edges. I'll take a copy and do the same thing. It has taken the parallel. Make concentric. Concentric. So now there's an issue. This stick supposed to come below. And now I'll keep it perpendicular. Okay, now it's fully constrained. Now I'll take one more stick. Coincidence. Let us take a constant with the edge. concentric with this. Now make this pattern on this direction, distance of 10. Make it 11 and increase the size distance of 10.1. Make it 10.4. 10.4 looks fine. Now make a pattern of the first 4 sticks. Linear pattern and a direction in this way. For that I'll select a top plane, give a distance of 4, and I'll be making it as pattern of 20 numbers. Okay. Now let's measure the dimension. It's 82. Let's increase another 2 numbers. $98. Let's increase one more number. Yeah. So now it's around 100 mm. Right. So that finishes our pen holder box by using a popsicle sticks. Hope you liked it. Thank you.